Hey, it's Willie Crawford here, and I want to show you a product that I've been using now for about a week, just testing it out. It's called the Invisible Traffic System, and the system itself was created by Shane Nathan, who's the general manager over at Warrior Plus, and he's seen everything that goes through there, and so he saw something that made him decide to test out just creating faceless videos, like 10-minute faceless videos. He's not even on the video, and in most of them, he doesn't even speak. So no camera, no gear, no tech skills, anything. And when he was playing with it, he had one video a 10-minute faceless video that pulled in 628,000 plus views. And if you go to themodernmidas.com, which is my site, / invisible traffic system, you can see it, you can grab it there. It's actually delivered as a PDF, and inside the PDF, you have links to uh, 4 video modules where Shane walks you through his system, and then he provides you with a custom GPT that steps you through the process, and then there's an action guide that has all kinds of details and strategies and basically just outlines the entire system. So the product itself is delivered as a PDF, and the PDF has these 3 components in it, plus it, I don't know, has several pages of very, very detailed instructions and strategies. And so I'm playing with that now because I want to see if I can duplicate what he did. And as we scroll down this is his sales letter. Uh, you can see that other people are raving about it. And I'll just read some of the text. It says, most people grind on YouTube for months and still get nowhere. Shane swept the switch. He used a new AI-powered method that takes him 10 minutes or less and triggered over 628,000 views and 5,300 subscribers from scratch. No filming, no editing, no expensive tools, no showing your face. Now he's revealing exactly how to do it so you can tap into a viral traffic stream that has the potential to pay you daily. And then as you scroll down the page, it gives other examples. The channel here that got 427,000 plus views in 90 days, and there's all kinds of screenshots and stuff like that. Um, and the fact is that the system just plain works. So I want you to check it out. I'll let you read the sales page. I mean, I could go down, but he has example after example. The system itself is $17. And that's if you can buy it at the link that I show you. And again, he shows you as he's teaching you, he steps you through it step by step, and so that takes longer than 10 minutes. But I've done videos using his method, and it says this method is not a trend. It will be here today and gone. Will not be here today and gone tomorrow. It's not black hat. It's not about being on camera or acting like you're crazy. Uh, it's about something that no one is talking about yet. And he shows how he quietly pulled in 276,000 plus views and 2,300 subscribers. And that was just within the first few uploads. So yeah, he creates his videos 10 minutes or less. He uploads them to YouTube, to his channel, and the videos are shorts. Well, most of them are shorts. And you can then monetize this in countless ways that he gives you in his course. I'm not going to reveal everything that he teaches in the course. That would not be fair to him. And again, I'm setting up 4 or 5 different channels. I've got 3 already set up right now. And there are people who've in less than a week, gotten hundreds of thousands of views. So I want you to go ahead and check it out. This is a screenshot showing what's inside the PDF, which is how the product is delivered, and what you get. This starts off with "Welcome to the traffic system," and then it says, "Before you begin, here's everything you will be receiving inside this delivery PDF." You get 4 video modules where Shane walks you through his proven system. And you get a custom GPT that he's named the Invisible Traffic System. Once you download that by clicking on the link in the PDF, uh, then I open mine in ChatGPT. I imagine it'll work in some other programs too, but I use ChatGPT. And then there's an action guide, which is the rest of the PDF. and it takes you step by step through the process, gives you all kinds of ideas on how to monetize it, and explains exactly how the system works, and more importantly, why it works. And again, I am cranking out videos daily now. For right now, I have 3 blogs I'm working on, or 3 video channels I'm working on. Each one focused on a very specific niche. I've got one focused on just traffic generation. I have another one focused on gardening, since I'm an avid gardener. I've been gardening since I was about 5 years old. Fell in love with just planting seeds and watching them pop up through the dirt, and soon you had food. Uh, and I am a cook. I've been cooking since my grandmother started teaching me to cook at about 6 or 7 years old. And she started me with simple ingredients, and she watched me. But at 66, I've written my own cookbooks. I have 3 cookbooks now that are published under my name, and so I have those niches. Plus, I also teach how to rank and rent websites. I have a YouTube channel that's going to focus exclusively on that. And what I'm doing actually to give you a little strategy, I guess, is YouTube likes channels that are very focused, so they can know who to show the videos to. They want to know what the channel is about. And if you if you make your channel fairly focused, you'll get more traffic just from that. But what YouTube also is doing is, well, I won't give you all the strategy, but the system works very well for reason. And one is it's very focused, and YouTube can easily figure out what it's about, and they can figure out from each video who they should show it to, and they show it rapidly. Almost as soon as you upload the video, YouTube is recommending your video to other people. And so this is very powerful. Anyway, go check it out. Go to themodernmidas.com. That's themodernmidas.com at invisible traffic system. So themodernmidas.com/invisible traffic system. Just type it in just as you see it here, and I'll actually also post the URL wherever I share the video. Thanks for listening.